So what's going on, YouTube? You're watching EXQUISITEMAD. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Today we're going to be starting on a huge project that is going to last about a week and maybe a week and a half. What we're going to be doing is a project on this 1984 cab over that you see behind me. It is a 1984 Kenworth, and it's been off the road for a few years, and we're going to completely refinish it. And what I mean by refinishing is we're going to go over the entire truck and we're going to strip all the paint off. After we strip the paint off, then we're going to be getting into polishing the entire cab. And after that, then we're going to be moving into doing the tanks that you see right here. We're going to be pulling the tanks off. We're going to be refinishing those. This is going to be a monumental project. And yesterday we detailed the inside of it, got the inside cleaned up. Inside is actually in great shape. And hope y'all enjoy. I'm going to give you a walk around of this truck, let you see what it looks like before anything starts coming off. And hope y'all enjoy this. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. New notifications for videos just like this. We're going to be taking off the ladders here. Okay, so today we're working on getting this paint off, and the way that we're going to do that, we're going to be using some heavy duty aircraft remover. It's an aircraft stripper, and going to be using correct PPE, going to be wearing eye protection, not these, actual goggles, and then on top of that, gloves. So after that, I'm going to kind of show you the process of what's going to be done. I'm going to set up the camera over here. This is going to probably take a better part of the day to get this paint stripped off, but once it's done, then we can get straight into polishing and make this truck look absolutely gorgeous. So here we go. We have the aircraft stripper underneath here, and right now we have the aircraft stripper underneath these bags, and what it does, it's allowing for the stripper to allow more time for it to do what it needs to do in order to remove the paint. And see if I can see behind here. As you can see, we put the second coat on here, and got some help today doing this, and working on the other side too. But this side I really want you to see how this is coming off. This is turning into goop. That's it, as you can see up there. This plastic is going to be, this rubber piece is going to be cleaned up. Okay, so today just got finished working on 3 sides of the semi as far as getting the paint stripped and getting it ready to be prepped by sanding. Took all day to do. As you can see, turned out pretty clean. As you can see, that's what we want with minimal sanding. We don't want to have to sand the paint off. They have chemicals for that. So that's what we did. We're still going to have to sand to prep it. So as you can see, got off a lot of the paint. This is actually the metal itself here. That's the metal. This is where we did a spot test at, just to see what was underneath here. This section here is actually going to be pulled out and it'll be welded there, no problem. This all has been stripped. That piece that's up here is steel, stainless, and just going to repaint that. And but all of this section here has got to be worked on a little bit more tomorrow. Once those come down tomorrow and they cut those off, then we'll be stripping the backside and then getting it ready to be sanded for polishing. And the sanding is probably going to take a full day to sand this thing out and to get it to where it needs to be up to spec in order to polish the metal. Okay, so today we're moving on to sanding the surface since we already have the paint stripped.